I love Mo Willems. So I decided we just need an entire Mo Willems day. Now, not to be confused with Mo Williams. I'm sure there's a Mo Williams in the world, but Mo Willems doesn't have that last little like I in his name. It's E-M-S, Mo Willems. And he is the author of the popular Elephant and Piggy book series, the Pigeon series, Knuffle Bunny or Knuffle Bunny. Some people say Knuffle Bunny. I say Knuffle Bunny, which happens to be my favorite. So Knuffle, Knuffle, however we say it. Totally love it. Anyway, welcome to my Mo Willems Day. Now, there are so many different things to click in this board to find how to draw Elephant and Piggy, a link to Mo Willems' website where you can explore and play different games. You can, this is something, I played this with my daughter and using the word luggage. So we've always called it suitcase or we've called it, get your bag, but we've never said the word luggage. And so there's a game where you have to get the luggage. And so pick out the luggage pieces to her. She was like, what's that? Anyway, so there are a couple of things that I feel like are pretty educational for the age group that this hits, especially with vocabulary. Aside from it just being fun, and there's some read alouds in here too. Mo Willems is one of my favorites read alouds. And I know it's like one of the favorites for kids too when you start reading those just right books. Mo Willems is one of those first, like, give me all the Elephant and Piggy books. Let me read them because I can. One of my son's favorites that I actually loaned out to another LNC family from my personal collection was the Elephant and Piggy Biggie book. So it had like 5 different Elephant and Piggy stories in it. They're just great. They're awesome. So if you haven't ever experienced reading Elephant and Piggy, do it. Especially if you're watching this board, because this means you're in my K2 crowd. Unless you're like a 3rd or 4th grader that just remembers loving Elephant and Piggy or Mo Willems books and wanting to play around on this board, you are more than welcome to. But I just wanted to create this for those friends that are obsessed with Mo Willems' work as I am. And there's also a link in here too that talks about how Mo Willems is being groundbreaking because he's shifted from just a children's book author into The Pigeon. The Pigeon is now a Broadway musical. Cool. And Mo Willems is the very first ever artist in residence at the Kennedy Center in Washington, D.C. And so because he's the very first, I'm sure they're figuring out what this looks like. And so they're doing performances. There is actually, one of these links you to a video. They've turned one of the Pigeon books into a video. I've never seen it before until I was researching links for this website. I mean, this board that I created for you guys to explore. But the Elephant and Piggy, I think I have 2 on here. They're not Elephant and Piggy, they're Pigeon. They're so cool. I love them. So let me tell you everything that clicks right now, because that was one of the things my daughter had an issue with, was what all she could and could not click. Duckling, yes. Cookie, yes. Trixie, yes. But Knuffle Bunny, yes. Piggy, yes. Gerald, yes. I think the tub might not be a different thing. The tub might be linked with either Gerald or Piggy. The dog, yes. Me, yeah, obviously you clicked me to get this video. The bus driver, yes. The bus, click the bus. That's one of the ones that she kept forgetting to click. The pigeon and then the hot dog is separate, so it's its own link. Anyway, I hope you have so much fun exploring the wonderful world of Mo Willems and enjoy it as much as I do.